Sarah just waved to me. Sarah. Hey, Sarah. Feels so cool. This is Sarah Feldman, auditioning for the Special Olympics. Look at her go. Outside leg, look at it. Look at it. No. You know, it's like you gotta visualize it, you know. It's like this Domino's deliver. It's like you gotta know you can do it, because Sarah can do it. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her. Magnificent. Does Domino's deliver? Does it?